Hi guys, maayong hapon sa inyong tanan sa bugyong bahay natin guys kasi super busy natin kahapon. Hindi ako nag-vlog kasi tinapos ko yung dalawang LBC na box, yung mga balikbayan boxes natin. Ba, eto tapos na. Lagyan ko ng duct tape and yung mga packing tape, yan. Grabe guys, parang bato siya, oh. Yan. So, nilagyan ko ng duct tape dito rin sa gilid. Yung mga boxes na to, luma na from the old house. Siguro mga 4 years na ba. And yung ibang mga, gilid-gilid niya, may mga butas-butas. Yung dito niya, may mga butas-butas. So, nilagyan ko ng duct tape para secure yung boxes natin. Yung dalawang box. And I'm gonna do the same thing sa other boxes. Madilim yung bahay natin, umulan. Nag-start ka ng umaga. Luckily, kinuha ni Jory yung mga labahan sa may washing line. Kasi otherwise guys, basa, baho yung natin. Yung mga damit. Kasi kunin ko lang yung cup ko dito. Kasi dito ako nag-coffee. Yan. Usually pag after work, I sit here. Sometimes sa hapon dito ako nagtatambay kasi it's very quiet and peaceful dito ba. Diyan sa may umbrella natin yan. Puno na yung dishwasher natin. Kaya minsan, hinugasan ko yung mga plato dito sa sink para may magamit kami ni Mr. May mga times na hindi namin ginagamit yung dishwasher. Kasi, nasamayan namin ni Mr. magugas ng mga plato, ng mga baso dito sa sink. Ginagamit lang namin yung dishwasher pag may mga bisita, friends din na dito sa bahay. Kasi ba, ang daming mga plato, baso, ganyan. Pero pag kami lang dito sa bahay ni Mr., wala, hindi namin ginagamit. We'd rather just wash them dito sa sink and then dry them dito sa my tray. Pero pag busy kami, then yes, ginagamit namin yung dishwasher. We put everything in there. Kasi wala na kaming time maghugas. So unless na pag wala na kaming gagamitin, then yes, like ngayon, wala na kaming gagamitin and puno yung dishwasher. So kailangan namin i-run ito para magamit namin ba. Ito hinugasan namin to, yung mga kaldero, yung mga saucepans, frying pan. Hindi sa may dishwasher kasi taking a lot of space. So, eto. Yan. Hugasan natin to. Yan. Tsaka meron pang rice na natira. Ito, konti to. May konti na lang yung rice. Siguro I'll keep this. And I'm not sure with this one. So, ito yung bili ni Joran na cast iron na frying pan ba. Kasi sabi niya, may nag-recommend daw to sa mga vlogs. Bilhin to. Para sa steak ni Mr. So, sabi niya, leave it dyan sa my store kasi magluto daw siya ng steak. I don't know when. Basta sabi niya, magluto daw siya ng steak. Gamitin yung cast iron frying pan. So, ito yung mga nabili namin sa Bunnings. Ito, konti lang naman. We bought these yung DIY. Moving activated sense of security light. Solar powered. Sabi ko, Mr. we should get this. Kasi yung front ng bahay, sobrang dilim niya. Kasi yung puno doon in front of our house. Tsaka yung street lights nasa kabila, hindi sa side namin. So, napakadilim niya unless we switch on the lights sa front. Yung dalawang maliit na ilaw ba. So, sabi ko kami, Mr. how about we get this? Kasi ito, ma-detect niya ba pa may mga tao sa labas, sa mga movements, sa mag-iilaw siya. And we have to work out how to install this sa gilid ng bahay ba dyan. Kasi dito guys, ang dilim. Yan, doon may ilaw naman, kaya lang, yun nga, eto hindi na kailangan ng, isaksak ng kuryente. So, eto. Nagkanamin sa labas ng bahay. Kasi yung pintuan dyan, palabas, nakalock. Merong, padlock. Kasi hindi namin ginagamit dyan. Hindi kami dumadaan dyan. Yeah. Bratong to guys, $19. So, we'll put it on the wall. Siguro pa ganyan, dalawang ilaw. Oh, you can't move these. Yan, maybe you can. Ganyan ba yan? Tapos eto. So, yan. Kasi sabi dito, easy to install on the wall. Yan, easy installation. Includes mounting kit. So, may mga kit na kung paano install sa wall natin. And then, we bought this, yung mga solar lights. Lagay ko dito sa gilid. Kasi, dyan guys, madilim pag gabi. Walang ilaw dyan sa gilid pa. Papunta dun sa may, sa may valley outdoor natin. So, yung mga kasagingan. And more okra seeds. So, I bought these, mga okra seeds. Hi, Ma!
Hello, Nak!
Si Papa din? Si Papa? Pa! Kamusta?
I'm okay. Oh, kumusta na kayo, Ken? Kaya kayo nga. Vlog kami, hiningan ako. Kumusta sa all of you?
English na yate? English ba?
Thank you for subscribing. Subscribe,
Guys, meron tayong good news. Bumili ako ng washing machine para kay mama. Guys, meron ng washing machine si mother, ma. Ano guys, brand new washing machine. Yung Samsung na pinakamalaking kinuha ni mama. Be?
Punta tayo. Kita mo na wala po sa may window.
Nice. Dako ang sasulod.
Dako dako. 10 kilos ang ano niya.
10 kilos, that's good. Oo.
Am I your favorite white son? How's the washing machine?
Salamat, kid. Kaya madamo.
Do you know how to use it yet?
Yeah. We start the washing yesterday.
Do you measure the detergent when you put it in?
Yeah.
Because your daughter, she doesn't measure. She just pours it all in.
See?
There's a measuring cup.
She doesn't measure as well.
There's a measuring cup.
No, I just put a 1 pack of detergent and 1 cup of fabric conditioner.
See? She just put everything. No measurement.
Everything. Wow. Oh my.
So, ito yung gift namin kay mama at kay papa kasi noon pa gusto ko bumili ng washing machine for them kasi every time we find them sa Philippines, she always doing laundry. Guys, by hands. And she complains about her knees na masakit daw and she can barely walk sometimes kasi yun nga, masakit diba? Nagsasquat ka pa, nag-laundry, ganyan ba? For hours and hours. And then yun, and plus she's getting old. Getting arthritis. Since I came here, gusto ko na bumili ng washing machine para kay mama. Kasi yun nga, dun sa Philippines, ako palagi yung nag-laundry. Kasi ako yung matanda, ako yung the eldest sa family. So, di ba pag eldest ka, everything, you have to do laundry, cooking, bantay ng mga kapatid, mga bata, cleaning the house. Parang ikaw lahat.
When I first met Anne, she preferred to wash by hand. I don't know why. I guess it's just human nature. What you're used to,
Yeah, growing up
will
in
continue
Philippines.
doing it. Like in the Philippines, you wash by hand.
We're very poor in Philippines, in my province. That's why
But
we
even-
can't afford washing machine. We can't afford these things to buy.
But even when Anne was here and we lived together, I said we should get a washing machine, and Anne said it's fine. I'll do it by hand.
Yeah,
And
for
then
3 years.
For a few
3
years.
years, guys.
I think except my business shirts, my mum would wash them because
When we got married, I moved to Jordan's house with mom and dad. And then a year later, we decided to live on our own. So we moved out from mom's house. We live in a unit. Pero walang washing machine dun. Ano lang, malaking sink lang, bathroom, and then toilet.
Anne said we don't need a washing machine. I'll do it by hand. But then I guess I kept saying, you know, it's a lot easier. But Anne's stubborn, and she was just used to using the washing machine, not using a washing machine. Sorry, and again from the Philippines, and never had a washing machine. So, but then we moved to our next house, and I said I think it's about time to get a washing machine, and we didn't have as much money then.
Sa first house, wala kaming bed, nothing, no furniture.
I don't mind. I don't really care about belongings that much. I still eat 2-minute noodles and
Yeah,
cheap
like,
things.
sa second house, binigyan kami ng washing machine ni tita. Kasi siguro naawa siya sa amin. And Deborah niya washing machine. So, gumagana pa rin guys yung washing machine ni tita. Andun, we left it at the old house kasi yung boyfriend ni Joyce nag-move in doon. May moved out sa bagong bahay. And yung washing machine dito sa amin, bigay ito ni mom. Gift niya sa amin.
We don't all have new things. The fridge,
No.
the fridge we have.
From Anna's, tsaka yung old fridge namin from my uncles, from my auntie and uncle. So, yung mga gamit namin sa previous house, given by our family and friends. Kaya talaga guys, grabe yung namin, pinagdaanan ba? Like, we didn't have new things. We would buy pag may pera kami. Kasi, yun nga, mga bata pa kami when we met and then we got married young. Grabe guys yung pinagdaanan namin until we get to this point here where we are now. Now, we've achieved so much sa marriage namin, sa life namin ni Mr. From nothing to here. And then, sa family ko, na-achieve ko yung dreams ko sa family ko, which is to buy them house and lot sa Philippines. And kami rin ni Mr.
And
Kasi, yeah.
I think there's 2 things that Filipinos love to do. They love to wash by hand. And they love to do karaoke.
But
So,
we don't
yeah,
do
Christmas.
karaoke, yeah, wala.
So yeah, for Christmas I bought a speaker for the father and his dad because they love karaoke and we haven't seen them for a while and they always post videos singing. Now they have the karaoke machine and the washing machine, so if we do have some money left over we do send it overseas. I think Filipinos, they just need they're happy if they have karaoke and Red Horse.
Yeah, simple
and rice.
life.
Rice
Very
is life.
simple life sa probinsya. Kahit we didn't have those things back then. Alam mo yun, like, we're very happy. Kasi mama, nung bumili siya ng washing machine, she didn't know how to use the washing machine, kahit may manual. Sabi ko, read the manual para you know how to use the washing machine. Pag may mga bago, parang, wow, alam mo yun na-excite ka. Na yung ibang tao meron na puyisinis, pero sila wala. And then, pag nagkaroon ka ng may bago na, kahit luma na sa iba, parang grabe yung yung feeling ba na, wow, finally, we have washing machine. Like, rin dito, we didn't have a lot of things sa bahay, mga bagong things. Pero lahat to, kung anong meron kami ngayon, pinaghirapan namin ni Mr. What we have here came from a hard work. What we have now.
Yeah, so even though we have a good job, I think we still I guess down to earth, if that makes any sense to you guys. So we try not to spend too much money.
No,
like I've got my old car, Anne has her old car.
For 6 years.
Of course, sometimes you buy some things for yourself, but yeah, we don't have a fancy car or.
I think we not into mga branded things, mga new things, when things come out, mga bago ba. We don't have to upgrade straight away. We have to wait till pag sira na yung phone namin o sira na yung car, that's when we're gonna buy new things. Pero dito talaga sa bahay, we invested a lot kasi last year we worked our ass off. We saved a lot of money for this house talaga. That's why we have a new things in the house. Bagong lamesa. Guys, meron tayong lamesa. Before, di ba sa mga old house, no tables, no chairs. May mga chairs, pero like dining set, wala. And then the lounge set.
I think because my mum was an accountant, she always spoke about money. One thing she always said, when you're gonna buy something, just think, do I need this or do I want it, right? That's what I do all the time.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know, something to do with myself. I almost prefer to live a simple life.
Yeah.
Like I get more joy off like
being simple and living
eating chicken wings and just having my cheap vodka over dining in a 5-star restaurant. I think it's just you can relate to more people.
Yeah, sabihin mo na cheap kami, ganyan. Pero we're happy. We're very content sa life namin ni Mr. Kahit wala kaming geto ganyan. Alam mo, we're very, very happy talaga. We're very blessed.
So I guess one thing, you don't have to be cheap or just be content with what you do.
Yeah, or what
so
you have.
Don't try and buy things because you want to be someone that has money, or don't get that car because
buy things
you want to
afford.
look like that rich person. Just buy what you want and be happy with who you are.
So guys, just be happy with what you have in life. Be very happy and be very patient kasi your time will come. Patience na talaga, grabe. Kami ni Mr. from nothing to where we are. We're very happy. Very happy. Kung ano meron sa amin ni Mr. And sa family ko sa Philippines. Kumalas kami ni Mr. Pumunta kami ng Westfield Mart. Na-grocery lang, mabili ng pagkain. Tsaka yung mga drinks, yung mga juice. Tsaka tinapay. And manok. Ito for dinner tonight. Kasi guys, gintamad kita. So, we're just gonna have this. Bukas ako magluto. Tsaka pumunta kami ng bread tub. Ito, mga tinapay natin. Wala na yung paborito ko, yung barbecue pork bun. So, ito lang natira. Yan, $2 each. So, kumuha ko ng 5. Yung white bread. And yung mga itlog. Got this as well. Yung muffin pan. Yung non-stick. Tsaka yung mga juice natin. Ito yung V8. And then yung apple juice natin. Mga soy sauce. More tinapay. Ito. Tsaka mga mani. And yung mga sauce. Mga frozen mashed potatoes. More mashed potatoes dun sa ilalim. What's that one? Oh, sweet potato. Nice.
Sweet mashed potato.
Ha?
Yeah. $2.50.
Barato lang guys. Yan. So, ito lang naman. Yan. So, ito yung dinner namin yung manok. Oh, maybe I can have it with rice, babe. Do you want chicken with rice?
No.
O maybe ito na lang. Tsaka yung coffee. Ito, yung mga tinapay. So, initin ko lang to sa microwave. Then, I'm gonna have this with coffee. Maybe a bit of this, yung manok natin. Ito bukas na. So, breakfast to lunch. Well, I don't normally eat breakfast. Sometimes I do. Pero ano na, parang lunch na, parang brunch na. Breakfast and lunch. So, dito na muna yun sa may mga kamatis ni Mister. Babe, I'm gonna have the bum. Oh, yeah.
Look,
What?
have you ever seen the fridge? It's so empty.
It's not empty.
Look! Look!
It's not empty. I'm watching Mommy Juliet in Macau. Julieta, I miss you, Julieta. Na-miss ko si Baba. Baba Kathleen. Laki na Baba Kathleen. Oh. So, ito yung manok natin. So, I like this spot. Yung, ano ba tawag ito? Yung puwet niya. Yung puwet ng manok. Joran. This sa puwet. Yeah, bum. I like the bum. Thank you, Lisa. So, guys, so ito yung paborito ko. Oh,
See, they make it so
yeah.
juicy.
Yeah, juicy, nice. Oh, and this bit. Wow, yum.
It's the best bit.
Yeah, no. And the skin. Kaon. Panyapon ko to, guys. Julieta, guys. Namiss ko talaga si Mami Juliet. Lisa, kaon.
When you salad.
No. Not a salad, not. Tomorrow.
Yeah, this Addy one's good.
Hmm?
Cheaper.
Oh, the mixed one.
It's like $3.
Yeah?
No, $4, I think. Holes, $5.
Five,
Same
yeah.
size. Yeah, then you can use it for.
Yeah. Free sandwich.
If I use this for lunch, I can use it like 4 or 5 times. And then I add tomatoes, olives.
So, ito yung kay Mr. Salad with chicken and avocado yan. Very healthy, Mr. Okay, so tapos ko na yung mga form para sa mga boxes natin na fill up ko na ito. Lahat-lahat. Pero yung isang form, I stuffed it up. Parang, guys, ang daming mga cross out ba. So, I might need to buy another one. Kasi hindi maintindihan, guys, yung isang form. So, yeah, we're gonna close this vlog. And I hope you like this video. My mom is happy with her new washing machine. Guys, very blessed, thankful. Very happy sila ni Papa kasi kailangan mag-squat, maglabas sa labador ba? Sa may planggana, magkuskus sa mga nilabhan. At least, pag may washing machine, lagay mo lang dyan. Then you can do other things sa bahay. We're gonna close this vlog kasi pagod na. Ano guys, gabi na, mga 10:30. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. And we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Good night,
Please comment,
guys.
subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.